Today I'm at Ileyon. My wife is doing her birthday, so I brought her here to come and eat something super amazing. For those of you who don't know, this is Nosa. She's my wife, and today is her birthday. Happy birthday, Nosa. So this is the woman people have been assuming. Which woman they handle that? Which woman they always? Now you have seen her face. How do you feel this your new age? What's your plan?
My plan is to take on new challenges, to be more courageous, to go out there, be bold, do things that I've always shied away from. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless 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 you. Happy birthday, ma.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. So please help me wish her happy birthday, guys.
Thank you.
Babe, happy birthday. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for all the sacrifices you've made for me. You see, to be honest, I am very grateful. Like, you are the brain behind my success, the brain power behind my success. You know, when we just got married, I had nothing for like 2, 3 to 4 years. You were the one feeding us. I was with your ATM card, and you were always making sure there was money in the house, because when they pay you salary, you tell me they've paid. I will rush to the market to go buy things. Not because you used to send me to the market, because I was looking for a way to support you. Instead of you making the money, still being the one to go to the market, I needed to go to the market to support, to cook and everything. I just want to say a big thank you to you. I want to say thank you for taking shame away from me. You never found reason to disrespect me. You never ridiculed me. You have never insulted me in your life. After 11 years of marriage, I'm grateful for your support. And I want to say a big thank you to your family for being there for me. Then above all, I also want to use this opportunity to tell you that nothing beats the joy of marrying you as my best friend and the only one that can help me achieve all the joy in life. I want to say a big thank you for the sacrifices you've made. You know, when we got married, our wedding, my 1 naira was not inside. And it was a very big wedding. Like, thank you for being there for me. Thank you for proving to me that a woman can stand there for a man, help a man to feel clothed when he feels naked, when life hits him hard. You have never been a trouble to me. You have never stressed me. You have been very understanding and tolerant. Even when I have female friends, you are very accommodating. You don't trouble me. I don't know how you've done that, but I'm super grateful. I know this 11 years has not been easy because I'm a handful, right?
Yeah.
How do you feel this your new age? What's your plan?
My plan is to take on new challenges, to be more courageous, to go out there, be bold, do things that I've always shied away from. Yeah, and seeing results the way I want them.
That's so cool. How do you feel knowing that you picked me from trash, you picked me from nothing, and you made something out of my life? You made sacrifices for me to get here. How do you feel?
It feels fulfilling. It feels rewarding, for all the perseverance and all the hard work and patience.
I really appreciate you. I want to say a big thank you.
I appreciate you.
But don't you think it was risky that you went all out and invested so much in me for me to get here?
It is. And the thing is, normally I wouldn't even advise maybe ladies to do that, because I wouldn't know if that person would be faithful when the time comes to when things start working. Somebody can stay with you when it's not working out just to have maybe a comfortable spot, but when things start working out, they can decide to leave you. It has happened to a lot of women. But I guess mine would be, I just trusted God that things are going to work out, even though it started out very rough. But I stuck to the end by the grace of God. I would say by the grace of God, because humanly, with human power, it was going to be impossible. But God helped.
So at the point where you felt discouraged, what kept you motivated?
That's why I always keep myself grounded by listening to a lot of messages and sermons of people that I love. You know, those things, it might look like nothing to people. It might look like, oh, you are very religious, but those things actually help you keep yourself grounded. It's even when the storms come, you are calm. You are calm, you are focused, you know what's going to happen because you have talked to God about it. God has told you things in secret place, so you know what's going to happen. You're not perturbed by all the storm and all the noise.
How do you feel knowing that you were a pastor in the university, your dad a reverend, your mom a reverend, your younger brother a pastor, and you were a pastor in the university? How do you feel marrying somebody like me?
Yeah, that's the thing. That's a very good question. It's like, why did you marry one bishop's son, you know?
Why me?
Even I have to ask myself that same question. I think God was taking me through a learning process. That's what I'll say that. Because even though I felt, you know, that peace to go into the marriage, I felt the conviction that this was going to be good. But then I entered and I saw when. I was like, God, is this the plan? What's going on here? I mean, you said go, but then I've gone now, see all the wala coming left, right, goes back. And what's going on here? Lots of tears and lots of... But then...
Mind you, I was not attacking her or maltreating her.
No, it was not domestic violence.
It was not domestic violence. Okay.
So people go and misread it.
And it was not adultery. It was not adultery. Then you now say, what was it?
What was it?
Okay. I was always having issues with neighbors.
Yes, a lot of emotional growth needed to happen.
Yeah, thank you. That's so true. Some people grow in marriage. It was in my own case I realized that. But I'm happy it's not like that anymore. Or do you feel it's still like that?
Oh, you have really grown a lot. So. I can have peace. Before it's like every week, one person, do you see what this person did? Do you see? I say, God, everybody is doing something.
So let me say happy birthday to my wife. And babe, I love you so much. You're my G. My G for life. But what do you feel about my kind of content?
The thing is, when I see testimonies of people that you have helped, it's encouraging to know that even though some people find it very difficult to swallow, then some other people are getting results. So that's, for me, it's good.
Yeah, my biggest joy is that a lot of people have stopped masturbation. A lot of people who could not last long, who were using drugs before, have stopped using drugs, and they can now satisfy their partners comfortably without stress.
Marriages that were about to, you know, fall apart were restored.
Yeah, I just give God the glory. It's amazing that with the token that we paid, we can eat pounded yam, turkey, snail, and
meat.
This is goat meat. See goat meat.
Like,
wow, babe, see goat meat. Guys, see goat meat. For how much? 14,000 naira. Snail. See turkey. Wow. I not see where pass enter soup.
No road to road. No way to way.
No way to way. Like my grandma says. Babe, I beg, I could just remove this meat, make it come off from my plate. Make it just wait for me somewhere. Orishi still there inside the egusi.
We are coming first.
Babe, this is awesome.
It is though.
It's amazing that we are alone here. I'm enjoying. This is VIP star treatment.
Man, this is just perfect native vibes.
Babe, it's worth it. This is not pando, this is real yam.
Nice.
I'm full.
I knew.
I'm tired.
I told you.
I'm full. I'm tired. Babe, I don't want. Sorry. I don't want. Take, I don't want.
You put it here. Now.
I don't want.
Oh boy.
I don't want. I can't. It's overwhelming.
It is.
I think they give you too much value for your money here. Like, how much do you pay? This is too much. Wow. Please, you guys should come to a place like this. Trust me. You will get value for your money.